Hey everyone, so the new group projects are going to be discussions as we discussed in our meeting. So the discussion that we have is set up here with group case study discussion. I have tabs with directions for each of the requirements. And so the first week they will be doing a part of the case study. They have several questions they have to answer, and they're going to look at a food label and reply to at least one peer. Then the next time we have it set up so that they have more case study questions to answer and another label, food label to look at. In week 11 we have some more questions to ask. This one's going to be more aligned with the assessment aspect. And then the final week, week 13, they will create a draft of a patient education sheet that they will attach to the post. And then their peers, everyone will choose one peer to evaluate. There is a checklist right here that they will use to help critique it and provide some feedback. So the students will fill this out for one of their peers, attach it to a reply, and provide just kind of a summary of their critique or feedback, I should say, in the text part of the discussion reply. And then at the very end of the semester, in week 14, which is the week before finals, they will create or they will adjust the draft version based on the feedback they received from their peers. They will kind of fix it up to make it a little bit better, and then they will submit it with the final project, which is somewhere down here. Here it is. So they will do the final project. So I put these two into a group together. So the directions are all here, and a reminder of academic honesty. This is the plagiarism video I created quite a while ago. It's actually kind of long, but it gives both examples of what is considered plagiarism and how to fix that, so what we kind of expect from them. We also include an example that's linked down here, and in this graphic they can also click and they will get a sample one that we created. And I think that's about it. So the discussion and the final patient education will be individual grades. That is going to put a little bit more work on you, because that means the week of finals you will have two things to grade: the final project and the discussions. The way we have this set up with the due dates is that in each of the weeks that they will be doing one of the group case studies, they will click here and it will have their directions of what they need to do, and this actually has a to-do date on it, so that way they will have at least an idea of what is due when, because this will show up in their to-do list. And there's also a link to the discussion in there, and there's also a link within the module itself. So that happens for each of the, in each of the sections where there'll be, I think it's 4 times total that they do that discussion. So I think that's it.